Savio, if I could come to you first. So we have more information now on what really could have gone wrong, what could have really led to 26 January violence. There is information, according to sources, on possible Khalistani links of Disha Ravi and both Nikita, against whom a non-bailable warrant too has been issued. What do you have to say about the latest developments that are taking place?
Well, let's put the entire issue in perspective, Christine. The most important aspect is the fact that a foreign individual and foreign agencies have been working with Indians to create anarchy and chaos. The investigations of the Delhi police have only started to unearth the real conspiracy that led to the January 26th violence in Delhi and at the Red Fort. Now let's say this very clearly. The farmers have a right to dissent and protest. But what happened on January 26th at the Red Fort was not protest. It was anarchy. It was violence. And therefore, the names in the Greta Thunberg toolkit, all of it, all the names, whether they were media, whether they were politicians, whether they were social media influencers, all of them need to be investigated to understand what is the foreign hand behind the incident of January 26, because it was an attack on India. No matter which way you want to color it, as far as the people supporting Disha Ravi are doing. The truth is that something sinister happened and it must be investigated, and that is exactly what the Delhi police are doing. Anarchy and chaos in a democratic nation like India must not be tolerated. It is as simple as that. You wage a war against India, India will wage a war against you, no matter who you are.
You know, Savio, what you're saying is true, and to the effect that we've been highlighting the same facts since January 26 and since Republic exposed the details of that toolkit, the content that was shared by Greta Thunberg, following which she, of course, edited it and removed it. But Syed Asad Abbas, if I could come to you on this, there is no justifying this. There is no justifying the global conspiracy to defame India here. You know, it's as simple as it gets. These are laws for Indian farmers passed by Indian parliamentarians. I mean, there is no point of this kind of international meddling at all. And now, of the details that we're picking up, there's no justifying this as well.
Well, my good friend Savio Rodriguez is a very learned man, and I hold his opinion, his view and statement in high regard. It's only a matter of fact that I might dissent with Savio, but Savio will never question me or put me in jail, for a matter of fact, because we agreed to disagree, and that is the ethos of a democracy and not an anarchy. First points first, why is Disha Ravi arrested? Well, I happen to be a Bangalorean. Disha Ravi happens to be a fellow Bangalorean from a very prestigious institution, which is the Mount Carmel College. She's also a regular climate activist who's been doing spectacular work when it comes to Fridays for Future. Also, as a matter of fact, why is she arrested? Let's understand that. She edited and shared the toolkit. A toolkit, what is basically the premise of a toolkit? A toolkit is something which tells us about the protest. What is the protest? What is the cause? The effect? And those who are saying that Delhi police found the toolkit, no, sir. Delhi police does not need to find the toolkit. Any protest toolkit, let it be a Black Lives Matter or the farmers protest toolkit, is available in the public domain. So there is nothing to find it. The problem here is the Bharatiya Janata Party government, the ruling dispensation, hates the voice of dissent, especially coming from the youth. So therefore, they want to use their police and their machinery to suppress the voice of dissent. That, as a matter of fact, is killing dissent here. The Bharatiya Janata Party needs to understand by intimidating a 21-year-old, they are going to get absolutely nothing. What is the harm in a toolkit? A Greta Thunberg, who's a well-renowned climate activist, I do agree she did delete the tweet in which the first toolkit was present. But why did she delete so? She deleted only to bring out an updated toolkit. So that is the matter. All what we see today is the voice of dissent, which time and again comes in. Unfortunately, FIRs are lodged, so on and so forth. For what? it is absolutely not necessary. Even if you see the Twitter charade, there are voices in over 1 lakh who are standing for Disha Ravi. I think the fact of the matter that the Bharatiya Janata Party government needs to understand that those who are responsible for a conspiracy, yes, let them be punished. But a 21-year-old needs to understand that what does our law say? Innocent until proven guilty. But unfortunately, many of the people from the BJP are coming out and laying her as a terrorist, as a seditious act. And that is absolutely wrong.
Savio Syed Asad Abbas is saying there's nothing wrong in the toolkit. Let's quickly, give our viewers and him as well a reminder of the contents of the toolkit and how it could have possibly led to what we saw on 26th of January. What we saw on 26th of January, like pointed out by you, was not a normal protest. This is no justification.
Now, so, Christine, let me just bring out what the Delhi police has said. The Delhi police has taken cognizance of the toolkit document found on social media platform that predates and indicates a copycat execution of a conspiracy behind the 26 January violence in India. An authority investigating it. Is Syed Abbas going to tell the people of India that the Delhi police is wrong in investigating what they consider to be a call of war against India, economically, socially, culturally and regional? Is that what Syed Abbas would like to tell the people of India? If you are old enough to vote, you are old enough to face the law. This is an investigation into a conspiracy against India. Whether the toolkit was available in public domain, whether the toolkit was leaked by Greta Thunberg mistakenly, the fact of the matter is there are names in those toolkit, in those documents that talk about a conspiracy against India.
Allow me to quickly rebut my good friend Savio. See, as a matter of fact,
Syed Asad Abbas,
go ahead, ma'am.
You can of course give a rebuttal, but I also want you to focus on one particular point. You're saying you're justifying the toolkit.
I am.
You're justifying the toolkit, but help us understand what about the Khalistani links that are now coming to light? This was a farmers' agitation, isn't it? If the toolkit was also about the farmers' agitation and how they must intensify their protest, stick to the farmers' agitation, it was still understandable. But what about the Khalistani links that are now emerging and with facts?
A quick rebut to my dear friend and nationalist and patriot. I have no doubt about it and I have great respect for him. Savio, my friend, a toolkit cannot be leaked, my dear friend. A toolkit is already there in the public domain. So a protest toolkit is always out there. There is no need to leak a toolkit, or there is no need for Delhi police to become top-notch detectives and find it. No, sir, it is already there. Second point, let me come to this. Let me tell you this as a matter of fact. We all believe in the Supreme Court. I will tell you this, and I will challenge on Republic and tell you this. The Supreme Court will give a clean
chit to Disha Ravi. Are you saying the Delhi police is not right in its investigation?
Allow me. Savio, my friend, please allow me, sir. 30 seconds. Delhi police is certainly
Are you saying that the Delhi police is not right in its investigation?
Allow me. I'll tell you. The Delhi police in its jurisdiction.
Why are you bringing the fact
I will tell
that
you,
she's
my
21 years of age?
I will tell you, my friend. I will tell you, my friend.
Bringing the fact that she's 21 years of
Savio,
age?
my friend, give me 30
if
seconds,
she's old enough to vote, she's old enough to face the law.
Allow me.
It is an investigation.
Okay. Savio, now you're eating into my time, my friend. Allow me 30 seconds.
Why are you nervous?
30 seconds. I will tell you now. Savio, my friend, I'll tell you in the next 30 seconds.
Why are you nervous?
The fact,
it's only an investigation. Police custody is a part of the investigation.
Allow me.
So where is the
fact
problem?
of the matter
if she's innocent, she'll come out.
Okay.
If she's guilty, she will go in.
Savio, I think you need to give me my 20 seconds. Thank you, sir. So the fact of the matter is,
that's a point Savio is raising, that let the investigations take place. No, there's no problem if the investigations are taking place in a fair manner. Let the investigations take place. Whatever comes of the investigation, it will be out for the public to judge.
Certainly, ma'am. I completely agree with you on that front. I agree with my friend Savio there. But the fact of the matter is, we need to understand what does our law say. Innocent until proven guilty. But we can see on social media and on trial by media, Disha Ravi is being guillotined. On what grounds? It's everybody is out there judging her. Let me tell you, it's innocent until proven guilty. And it's not guilty. And it's not guilty until proven innocent. Savio,
happened to Arnab as
Savio,
well.
you're not allowing me
The
to complete.
social
And let
media
me tell
does not
you-
decide the
and
truth.
allow me to
Social media
answer
does
you.
not decide the truth.
Allow me
the
to
law
answer you, my
decides
friend.
the truth.
Savio,
The law
you have
decides
your
the
time.
truth.
10 seconds.
Social media
my friend,
does
give me
not
10
decide
seconds.
the truth.
And let me tell you, the Supreme Court
Social
judgment
media
shall
does
come
not
in.
decide the truth, the
Allow me
law
to
does.
allow me to answer you, my friend. Please allow me. Please allow me. Supreme Court will give her a clean sheet. She'll be acquitted. I challenge you this today, and that will be a slap on the face of all the BJP
Are you the
and
Supreme
the
Court?
right wingers.
Are
Let
you
me
the
tell you
Supreme
that.
Court?
Because I believe in the
Are
youth
you
of this
the
country.
Supreme Court?
I
How can you
believe
arrive at
in the
that
youth of this
conclusion?
country.
How
I
can
believe
you
in the
arrive
youth
at
of this
that conclusion?
country.
The
I
youth of
challenge
this
you, my
country
friend.
are fighting
I
for this
challenge
country.
you. Because
The
I
youth
believe
of
in the
this
youth.
country are working
I
for the
believe in
country.
the youth.
The
And I
youth of
don't
this
believe
country
in
are
fascism.
spilling their
I
blood.
don't believe
Saida
in
and
Abbas,
laws.
if
I
there
don't
are
believe in
people who are
fascism.
questioning Disha
Not
Ravi
the
at
youth
this
of the
point in
country
time,
that
there
is
is also
fighting.
an opposition
So
that is
please get
backing
your
her.
facts correct.
Let's not forget that.
Yes.
Savio,
The youth
there
of
is
the
an
country
opposition
is
that is
somebody
backing
fighting at the
Disha Ravi
border
that is in
time.
fact hitting out
That's
at the
the
government
youth.
for the arrest. It is questioning the investigation. It is saying that this is all being done and is being seen as an attack on democracy.
Exactly.
So there is that
You have
lobby
no
as well.
right.
Let's not forget that.
Will Savio apologize if
Youth.
the Supreme Court gives her a clean sheet? Will Mr. Savio Rodriguez apologize to the nation and to Disha Ravi?
Have I
if
called
the
her
Supreme Court
anything?
acquits her?
She
Will
is
you
a part
apologize?
of the investigation.
Will you apologize?
She is a part of the investigation. The
Disha,
Delhi police has
innocent.
every right.
Disha Ravi
The Delhi
is
police has
innocent
every
until proven
right
guilty.
to
You cannot
investigate,
guillotine
to
her.
interrogate,
You
and
cannot
to take
use
them
the
into
Delhi
police custody.
You cannot use
They
the machinery.
cannot. Nobody is
You cannot
guillotined
use the
her.
Delhi police and the machinery.
Nobody has guillotined
Because,
her.
sir, you
It is
need
an
to know the basic
investigation.
premise
It's
of
an
the Constitution
investigation.
and the law.
It's an investigation
Innocent
into the
until proven
truth.
Guilty, and
It is an
shall be.
investigation into
So no
the
matter
truth.
what, you need to
It is
understand
an
that
investigation,
no matter
so stop
the
jumping.
BJP might try
It
to
is an
intimidate
investigation.
The
Why
BJP,
are
the
you
Bharatiya Janata
nervous?
Party, with
Why
all
are
its
you
powers,
nervous about?
might try to
You
not
are
at
yes
all.
nervous.
Not
You
at
are
all. Why would I be
nervous
nervous?
that the
The
truth
fact
will
of
come
the matter,
out.
Savio,
You're supporting the
is that
wrong
there is the
side.
truth.
You are
Justice
supporting the
will
wrong
prevail.
side. You are
Truth will
supporting the
prevail.
wrong
You
side.
are on the wrong side, my
Anybody
friend
against
Savio.
India
I will ask
will
for
go
an
through the
apology.
same.
When the Supreme
Anybody
Court
against
acquits
India
her of all
will
the
go
charges,
through the
I
same.
will seek
The
your
youth of
apology,
India
and you, my
should
friend,
defend
will
India
apologize
and not
to me.
destroy
You will
India.
apologize
There are
to
many
Disha Ravi.
youths
You will
around
apologize
the
to the
country
nation
who are fighting
because
for
you need to
India.
understand
There are many
the
youths
basic
who are
premise
giving
of
their
law
lives
is
at the
innocent
border for
until
India.
proven guilty.
There are many
So you
youths
need to
who
understand
work
that.
with their sweat
That is
and
the
their
matter. There is no point just shouting, my friend. I think either you hear me or I hear me. I give you the time.
Said Asad Abbas,
Yes.
let's not engage in this kind of trying to pin each other down. Let's talk facts. Tell us why
Absolutely.
Disha Ravi should not have been arrested. She has admitted in the court that she did in fact edit some of the lines of that toolkit. There is information coming out now of how she circulated the toolkit and how there was a WhatsApp group, there were conference calls that took place with pro-Khalistani groups. Why should an investigation not take place? Tell us. Let's talk facts.
I will absolutely talk facts. Like I said, ma'am, toolkit is something which can be edited and shared widely across the world, and it is something which is in a public domain. What is a toolkit? It
why
gives us
was
the
it
complete
deleted?
process. Allow
Why
me,
did
my
Greta
friend. You can
Thunberg delete it?
allow me. Let me, because she
Why
wanted
did she delete it?
she wanted to upload an updated version.
What rubbish?
If she wanted to delete
What
it,
rubbish?
she won't ever put the
Why did she delete the toolkit?
Toolkit.
It's not
She
she
won't
was
ever put
afraid.
the toolkit.
Why
My
did she
friend,
have to put out an
Savio,
updated version?
Savio,
That's
you
the
speak, I will listen to
exact
you.
point. You
When
said
I
it on
speak,
your
you please
own.
listen to me.
Said
Allow
Asad
me, yes.
Abbas, why did she have to edit it and put it again? We know
will tell
what
you.
went wrong as far as that
Allow me.
particular
Allow me to
initial
answer you,
toolkit
ma'am.
is concerned. Why did she remove it?
I will tell you, ma'am, had she wanted to hide or delete, not keep the toolkit, she wouldn't have even uploaded next. She uploaded the updated version of the toolkit. If she had any misdemeanor,
which made a
if
mistake,
she wanted
my
to
friend.
hide something,
That's why she deleted
won't
it.
do that. So, Savio, you need to understand.
Savio, the updated
problem with
version
you is you
had
see a
certain
glass
parts
half
completely
full. I
removed,
see a
certain
glass
parts
in a
that were
much
picked
better
up by
way.
the media that were extremely questionable.
And I will tell you why Disha
Absolutely.
Ravi's arrest is wrong. Allow me to answer
Absolutely.
you. I'll tell you why Disha Ravi's arrest is wrong. 10
Disha
seconds, I'll give you an answer.
Ravi's
I will
arrest is
give
a
you an
part
answer
of an
point blank.
investigation.
Allow me.
You cannot
Savio,
comment
Savio,
on part of an an
Savio,
investigation.
you need to give me my time.
Please
or
stop
you
it.
speak, I will listen to you.
It's a part of
You
an
speak,
investigation.
I will listen to you.
You are
You're not
nobody
giving
to
me my time,
justify
sir.
a Delhi
My
police
friend,
investigation.
allow me to-
You are
allow me to
nobody
make my point. I
to
will listen to
justify
you.
a Delhi police
You're
investigation.
now in this debate,
You are
you're trying
nobody.
to suppress
No, you
my
don't
voice.
have a point.
You're trying
You
to
are
suppress my
misleading
voice.
the
You're trying to
nation.
suppress the voice
You
of
are
dissent.
misleading the
No,
nation.
you're talking the likes
You
of BJP.
are not
Are you
allowed
a BJP
to
spokesperson, my
question
friend?
the Delhi
You're
police
not.
investigation.
You're trying to suppress
That's
the truth by
investigation.
suppressing my
A
voice.
crime against
You're
the country.
not allowing me to speak. Why?
Not the
Because I'll
truth,
expose
the
you, my
lies.
friend. I
The
will expose
lies.
you. That
The
is why
lies,
you're
not
not
the
allowing
truth.
to me. The Supreme
You
Court
cannot do
will
nothing.
answer with it acquittal,
You cannot
and that
do
will be the
nothing
slap
to a
on the
guy
face
like
of
me.
all the right
The
wingers.
truth is what is
Innocent
exposing you.
until proven guilty.
The truth
It is
is what
not
is
wrong.
exposing
It is
you.
absolutely not
The
wrong
truth
to
is
share
what
or
is
edit a
exposing
toolkit.
you.
There is nothing wrong in
The
it.
truth-
You want to use police? You want to suppress the voice of
Called her
dissent?
guilty.
Go ahead, do it.
Has
Go ahead, do
anybody
it.
called her
We are all
guilty?
watching.
It's a
But
part
we
of the
believe in the Supreme
investigation.
Court.
It's
We
a
believe
part
in
of
the
the
Supreme Court.
investigation.
And when the
It's a
Supreme
part
Court
of the
comes out with an
investigation.
acquittal,
People
that,
like
my
you
friend, will be
don't
an
want
insult to all of you.
investigations. People
Who are
like you
behind the
don't
life
want the
of a
truth.
21-year-old.
That's the problem.
And let me tell you,
You don't
truth
want
will
the truth.
prevail,
You want
justice
the
will
country
prevail,
to live in
and
anarchy.
justice above
You
all
want
else.
the country to
And let
be.
me tell you,
That
the
is
last
what
two
you are
words,
doing.
Satyamev
That is what people
Jayate.
like you want.
Satyamev Jayate
You
it
don't
will be.
want the truth.
Truth will prevail, my friend. That
Satyamev
is all I
Jayate
will
is
tell
only
you.
words to
We
you.
need to understand
The truth
that we
will
have great
prevail.
regard.
And that
Let
is
there be
why
an
the
investigation.
investigation.
But let me tell you,
That
the
is why
arrest
the
is wrong.
investigation.
The arrest
That
is
is
wrong
why
on
the
all grounds.
investigation.
Let me
That
tell
is
you
why she's in
and
police
quote
custody.
who it is.
That
I
is
think,
why she's arrested.
could I request
That is
Anchor
why
Ma'am
she's
to
in
please
police
intervene
custody.
because he's
Are
shouting
you going to
non-stop.
tell the
He's not
Delhi
allowing me
police
to
how
speak.
Said Asad
Should I be
Abbas,
allowed?
how will an investigation,
Is
a
the
questioning,
Delhi
an
police-
interrogation take place without an arrest? The Delhi police, the public prosecutor, also maintained a
Well, he
certain
doesn't know
facts that he
law.
put out in front of
He
the
claims
court.
to be a lawyer.
When
Okay, allow me.
yes, that
Allow
is
me.
the procedure that needs to be followed, and now there is more
Okay.
information coming out. What is the basis
allow me.
on which you're
Quick
saying
answer.
that the arrest should have not taken place? How do you justify
Quick
so
answer.
many things under the umbrella that are going wrong?
I will quickly answer to you, ma'am. Sharing a toolkit, editing a toolkit is absolutely no wrong. If the Delhi police is so mighty and power, let them go and catch all those Khalistanis.
Are you
Let
the
them go
Delhi
and
police?
hold them. And not a 21-year-old who's merely edited
They
and
are. Are
shared.
you
But
aware?
What is wrong in that?
of the
It's absolutely
information that is
aware?
now coming out, Said Asad
what I hear, there are
Abbas,
sedition
there
charges.
were WhatsApp calls, conference calls that were taking place with these pro-Khalistani elements as far as these activists are concerned. How are they not a part of the wrong?
Is that evidence, ma'am? Could you show it to me in evidence, please? Or is it allegation?
Yes, the Delhi police is citing that evidence. Even in the court yesterday, the public prosecutor maintained that. That's the exact angle that they're investigating.
Has she? Why didn't the
The
magistrate
Delhi police
give her a
itself
legal
is
aid?
calling it
Why didn't the
a
magistrate give her
waging
a
of a
legal aid?
war.
Tell me, why was she picked up from Bangalore, flown all the way to Delhi, and the magistrate did not give her a legal aid? Could you please tell me?
Why?
She was not even provided
What
a
is
legal
wrong
aid.
in that?
Why was
What is wrong in that?
The magistrate has not even provided
She's
her
a
legal
part
aid.
of an
Only a
investigation.
counsel. Only a counsel.
She was a part of
These
an
question-
investigation.
This question
She was a
has
part
been
of an
raised-
investigation.
This question
She's
has
a part
been
of an investigation,
raised
Syed.
by several former
She's a
judges
part of
and
an
lawyers.
investigation.
The magistrate did not even have a legal
Really?
aid for her. Yes, there was not even a legal aid, only a counsel. Why didn't the magistrate provide a legal aid? Why was she flown all the way from Bangalore to Delhi? As a matter of fact, for editing and sharing a toolkit, a 21-year-old out
Why?
there.
What is wrong
Isn't
with
it
that?
wrong?
We
You
are
want to- if the
investigating
Delhi
a
police
waging of a
Is
war.
so mighty and
We are
powerful.
investigating
If
a
the
waging
Delhi
of a
police
war.
Is so mighty and
Savio,
powerful.
investigating the waging of a
Savio, to
war
answer Said Asad
against
Abbas,
India.
let's talk about
And
the
not a
pattern that the Delhi
innocent
police is
voice.
following here. Let's talk about the pattern that the Delhi police is following here, how they are actually trying to identify the authors of that toolkit, following which they've reached these activists.
Correct.
That's
Ma'am,
the
can I
line
tell
they've
you-
actually taken.
Ma'am, can
Let
I tell
me
you,
take you
where
back
in
to
the
the
toolkit have they asked to
Sir,
vandalize the Red
let's
Fort?
Savio make his
Where in the
point and then
toolkit?
you can come in.
But Savio is not allowing me to make my point, Savio. This is not
Let me
fair.
bring out what the Delhi police said.
This is not fair. Savio,
In
I'll
this
allow you to
process,
speak.
they
Please allow me
all
to speak.
collaborated with
Allow me to speak. I will
pro-Khalistani
hear you.
Poetic
Post
Justice
which you allow me to
Foundation
speak.
to spread disaffection against the Indian state. She was the one, she meaning Disha Ravi, was the one who shared the toolkit document with Greta Thunberg. This is the Delhi Police's own statement. This is the Delhi Police's own statement. Wait. Later,
now let me respond
the
to you,
Delhi
my
Police
friend.
said she asked Greta to remove the main document after its incriminating details accidentally got into public domain. This is many times more than 2 lines
Savio,
editing
I heard you, my friend. Now
the
let
claim
me
she
reply.
made. So the Delhi
Savio, I heard
Police
you, my friend.
is
Savio, my friend,
completely
I heard you.
understanding
And let me
on the
acknowledge
war
you
that
made a
is
valid
being
point.
waged
And now let
against
me reply
India
to you.
through this.
Okay, Savio, my friend, allow me to now reply to you, my friend. Let me acknowledge the fact that you've made a very valid point there.
Abbas, you just tell me
agree.
whether the Delhi
My
Police
friend,
is wrong
now allow me
in
to
its
speak, my friend.
investigation.
Savio,
You answer
Savio,
no.
my friend, allow me to speak
You
now.
answer
Allow
no,
me to
Abbas.
speak, please.
I'm
Okay,
asking
now
you
let
a
me
question,
answer.
you're not answering.
Let me
No, I
answer
don't
you, my
want you
friend.
to speak.
Okay,
I
let me
want you
answer
to
you.
answer the question.
Let me
Is
answer
Delhi
you.
Police
Now,
wrong?
for a fact, let's agree.
Is Delhi
let's
Police
agree.
wrong in its investigation?
Let us agree on the front that yes, Disha Ravi edited the toolkit and shared the toolkit. Now you tell me, my friend, where in the toolkit does it mention about
No, you
Khalistani?
answer
Where
whether
in
the Delhi
toolkit does
Police
it
is
mention
right
about
or wrong
attacking the
in its
Red Fort?
investigation.
Where in the toolkit? Show me. Show me where in the toolkit is.
Are you going to ask the Delhi Police to put its investigation materials out?
Talked about.
Are you going to ask the Delhi Police to put the investigation material out? To you or to court?
Sharing the
Are you
toolkit.
the judge?
There's no harm in editing the
Are
toolkit.
you the judge?
Can you show me? Can you
Where is
show
the
me
Delhi Police
where
going to
in
put
the
its
toolkit
investigation?
Does it speak about
Where is the
vandalizing
Delhi Police going to put its investigation? In front of the court.
Where in the toolkit?
In the front of the court. If Delhi Police believes that it has details to investigate and bring somebody from Bangalore to Delhi, then that's the right of the Delhi Police. The police has lost nothing.
Because I will expose
No, you have lost the debate, my friend. Because you are supporting an anarchist.
Which is trying to
You are supporting an anarchist.
to suppress
And
the
I will
voice of
expose
dissent.
you.
How are you?
I will expose everyone on that
Are you a
toolkit.
Supreme Court judge?
Everyone on that
Are you
toolkit will be
S.A. Bobde
exposed.
or Savio
What are you going to
Rodriguez?
do about it?
What are you?
You are jumping
So
around for
therefore, the fact
Disha
of the
Ravi,
matter is,
an
Savio,
anarchist.
Where in the
An
I have a
anarchist
question for my
working
friend
against
Savio.
India.
I have a
That
question
is
for
what
you.
the Delhi Police
Where
is
in the toolkit
investigating.
does it mention
That
about
is what the Delhi
doing
Police is
vandalism in Delhi?
investigating.
Where in the
We
question
will
does it talk
expose
about
all of you.
attacking the Red
And we
Fort?
will continue
Where
to
in the
expose
toolkit does it say
anyone who works
go on
against India
or
will
blazing
be
against
exposed
the Delhi
and
court?
should be
You have
thrown
no
in
answer.
jail.
But
Why are
you
you
will do
having a
this
problem
to
with that?
suppress my
Are
voice,
you
my
an
friend.
Indian? Are
But
you a
let me tell you,
nationalist?
Saeed Asad Abbas,
Are
the
you
fact
a
of the matter
nationalist?
is that
Then
under
stand
its
up for
Ask
India.
India Why campaign, the PFJ has created that toolkit. At least the Delhi police is suspecting that, and now they want to investigate the same. So everyone who's been circulating the toolkit has been re-editing the toolkit, has been trying to go ahead with this network, create this network, has to be investigated. It is important to understand why what happened on 26th happened. So investigations need to take place. For the moment, gentlemen, I'll have to leave it at that. Savio and Saeed Asad Abbas, we'll leave it at that. Slipping in a short break here, we'll be back. As far as the investigation is concerned, both Savio and Saeed Asad Abbas with us. Saeed Asad Abbas, you were questioning the possible link between Disha Ravi and the toolkit. More so, you were talking about why the arrest. What is the need for the arrest? We now have information of a chat between Disha and Greta, in which clearly Disha is expressing to Greta that we could have UAPA slapped against us. There is a sense of panic that one can clearly understand as far as the chat is concerned. If someone is not wrong, why would they be scared? Why is she admitting that what she did was unlawful?
I think, ma'am, what we are looking at right now is there is more and more speculation coming through. Let there be a concrete evidence coming in, and then we shall pronounce anybody as per the court guilty. But my question I raise is, why were there abdication of judicial duties? Why didn't the court district magistrate provide her even a legal aid? Because under the Article 22 of the Constitution, any and everyone is liable to have a legal aid or a counsel. Well, Disha Ravi did not even have a lawyer to represent. Why didn't the magistrate even give her a lawyer, but directly sent her to 5 days of judicial police custody? Isn't that fair? Isn't it wrong? So therefore, the fact of the matter is, ma'am, why is the opposition coming out all guns blazing on this? Because Disha's arrest and Disha going through this catastrophe of events is absolutely wrong. Basically, the premise is the Bharatiya Janata Party fears the voice of dissent. They fear that this dissent could expose their governance. Fact of the matter here is Disha Ravi is a 21-year-old climate activist who's done fantastic work when it comes to Fridays for Future. She's a student of Mount Carmel College, which is a very prestigious institution here in my city of Bangalore. This activist did, yes, she has agreed in the court. She edited the toolkit, she shared the toolkit. But the real question to ask is, does the toolkit mention about attacking Delhi? Does the toolkit talk about being a vandalist? Does a toolkit talk about attacking the Red Fort? Absolutely no. A toolkit is always in the public domain. There is no need to leak the toolkit. Greta Thunberg voluntarily uploaded the toolkit, later deleted it, and she came out in the open. And she said, here is the updated version of the toolkit. So therefore, we need to understand here, there is no wrongdoing
The
whatsoever.
fact of the matter is, Syed Asad Abbas, that the toolkit was authored by PFJ members. That's exactly why an investigation is needed. You know, Syed Asad Abbas, you've been talking about the toolkit and you've been saying that it's okay if somebody edited the toolkit, it's okay if they circulated the toolkit. At the end of the day, she's just an activist. But is it justified that an activist circulated that toolkit, which was authored by Khalistani members? How is that even justifiable?
First things first, ma'am, there is no concrete proof or substantial evidence that Khalistanis have been authored this particular toolkit. First things first, this toolkit does not mention anything about attacking Delhi, does not mention anything about attacking the Red Fort. It does not say go out there, create violence, nothing of that sort. All the toolkit talks about is what is the cause of the protest, how to go about protesting, how to go about in the social media. There is no mention whatsoever of the violence conducted in it. The real question is, why didn't the duty magistrate of the Patiala High Court allow Disha Ravi to even be represented by the council? Isn't this a violation of the Article 22 of the Constitution? She was not even given a legal aid and directly pronounced to 5 days of police custody. So there has been an abdication of judicial duties, which we need to see. So therefore, we understand here how the Bharatiya Janata Party, the fascist forces of it, are using and abusing the Delhi police at their own will and peril. And why won't the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh praise Delhi police? Because Delhi police is his own. So obviously, when the opposition is attacking, he will go out there in front and defend the Delhi police. But let me tell you, his statement has no power whatsoever, because a youngster, a youth which is innocent, does not need to go under
Syed Asad Abbas, the same
sedition.
Delhi police was attacked by the opposition when we saw what we saw on 26 January take place on the streets of the national capital. And that same Delhi police reached an agreement with the farmers, with the farmer union leaders. And all of those rules were flouted. We can't forget all of that. Savio, let's shift our focus back to the WhatsApp chats between Greta and Disha that now we have accessed, in which clearly Disha is telling Greta that UAPA could also be slapped against us. So why that fear if you've not done anything wrong? You are doing something unlawful is why you're even projecting that in the future.
You see, somebody like Abbas tends to, like most activists in the country today, hide behind certain loopholes that they consider that they can maneuver within the law. But Abbas, I'm not going to call you a good friend of mine, because anybody who stands up for anarchists in the country cannot be a good friend of mine. Let's be clear on that, number one. Number two, Disha Ravi is a part of the investigation. The Delhi police has stated very clearly why are they investigating into the Greta Thunberg toolkit. They believe that these conspirators are waging a war against India. That war is social war, economical war, cultural and regional war. They're very specific in what they are saying, Syed Abbas. Now,
okay, let me
in
answer,
all fairness,
after you finish,
the Delhi police must be allowed to investigate. They must be allowed to investigate through the process of investigating. if India process of investigating whether that person was 18-year-old or whether that person was 21-year-old or whether that person was 50 years old is irrelevant in a matter of investigating. Number one. Number two, this drama done by the anarchists in the country about the age of the girl, about the age of terrorists like Burhan Wani, about their education, it doesn't matter. For all I know and for all India cares, she could have studied at Harvard. But if she is waging a war against India, and that is exactly what the Delhi police is saying, then she has to be investigated. And right now, Syed Abbas, we are in the process of an investigating.
Okay.
It is an
Now,
investigation
quick response.
that has put her into police custody.
quick response to
There
my
is no
friend Savio.
pronouncement of a judgment. So
Okay,
are
if you
you
allow me.
questioning the Delhi police rights and jurisdiction to investigate? If
Okay.
you are,
Okay.
then being a lawyer, you yourself are doing grave injustice.
Okay, allow me a quick rebuttal to Savio.
Said, let's
Savio,
not
firstly-
deviate. Let's focus on
We'll
what
not deviate.
Savio has
we'll
raised.
focus on this.
Yes, a quick response on what Savio has raised.
Savio is saying. So, Savio, very well, sir. Well, you don't consider me your friend. Nevertheless, you're a learned man. You are a friend. You are a fellow Indian. You are a nationalist. The fact of the matter, Savio, here is, can you answer my one question? Why wasn't she given a legal
No,
aid?
you can't
Why wasn't
stand
she
with
given
an
a counsel?
anarchist. Syed,
Why wasn't... Okay,
Syed,
allow me, my friend. Allow me,
that
my friend.
does
allow me to
not stop
answer.
the fact
I heard you.
that it's an
I heard
investigation.
you, dear Savio.
Was
Dear
Anuj
Savio, I
given a
heard you.
legal aid?
Now,
Was
now why
Anuj
wasn't
of
she given a
Republic
legal aid?
allowed a legal aid? Was
Do you know
Anuj
the
of
Article
Republic
22 of the
allowed a
Constitution?
legal aid? You answer
Do you
that.
know? Do you even know the
Was
Article
Anuj of
22 of the
Republic allowed a
Constitution?
legal aid?
Well,
You answer that.
my friend, you are
Was
absolute,
Anuj
and you're an ignoramus.
allowed a legal aid?
You are an ignoramus.
Was Anuj
You
allowed
have
a
no
legal
idea.
aid?
Article
Was Anuj
22
of
of the
Republic
Constitution.
allowed a legal
You
aid?
need to allow a lawyer.
Was
Why
Anuj
wasn't
of
she allowed a
Republic allowed a
lawyer?
legal aid?
Why
did you
wasn't
not
she
open your
allowed a
mouth
lawyer?
then?
Can you tell me?
Why were you
have
not
no
opening
answer.
your mouth then?
Allow me to answer.
Why was Anuj
Tell me,
not
why
allowed
wasn't
a
she given a
lawyer?
lawyer by the court?
Why was Anuj
Why
of
did the
Republic
Patiala,
not
Savio,
why did
that's
the
the
Patiala
problem.
House Court?
The
Why
selective
was
outrage is the
Patiala House
problem.
Court
On each and
manager
every issue,
give a legal
there is,
counsel?
you know,
Why was
a
Anuj
certain
of
section of
Republic
people
not
coming
allowed a
out
lawyer?
with the selective
Why was
outrage.
Anuj
That's the
for
exact
48
problem.
hours
We can't be
and more?
selective.
Allow me? Okay. Anchor Mohtarma ji, could you please
Where was
request
Anuj
Savio to please
given a
allow
lawyer?
me to speak? He's not allowing me to speak. Basically,
Could you please
Savio
talk the truth?
Does
No,
not,
no.
Could you
does not
please
know
But
speak
the
the
Savio-
truth and
He
stop
does
Savio
lying?
is trying to
allow me-
Stop
raise
lying.
a point here. Why the
Allow me.
selective outrage? Why the
Okay.
selective
Why- ask
outrage?
him, why was
Saeed
Anuj
Asad
not
I
Abbas.
will
allowed?
tell you. If I'm allowed to speak, I will tell you. Savio, allow me 10 seconds. I'll hear you all the time.
Okay.
The
Let's
first,
You
let's
answer
listen
to
to what
Anuj's
Saeed has to
question.
say. Savio,
You
let's
the
answer
fact
to
of the
Anuj's
matter,
question.
the fact, okay, please hear me. The fact of the matter is, under the Article 22 of the Constitution, it is the judicial magistrate's duty of the Patiala House Court
Boss,
before
don't tell us
pronouncing
about the law.
a police custody.
We know the
there
law.
needs to be a legal
We
counsel.
know the law.
This, my friend Savio.
So
why
where was
violation
Anuj's
of the
legal
Article
counsel?
22 of the Constitution?
Where
why
was
the,
Anuj's
why the
legal
violation of the
counsel?
Article 22 of the Constitution?
Where was
my
Anuj's
friend,
legal counsel?
My friend, you have no
Why
facts.
were not people
you
coming
have
out
zero
for
in this
Anuj?
debate.
You're
So you're
same
not allowing me
people.
to speak. Could I request the anchor to please tell Savio to keep
listen,
quiet?
buddy.
Don't keep heckling and
I
shouting.
don't care if
because
I'm
you have
zero
no
or
points.
hero.
You
The
are an
truth is the
ignoramus.
truth.
No.
The
You are
truth
ignorant.
is the
You
truth.
don't know the law.
The truth is the truth.
Article
Whether
22
you are
of the
hero or
Constitution,
zero is irrelevant.
the judge must
You
and should
might
allow
like
a
to be
legal
like
aid.
Saeed
hero.
Asad
I'm quite
Abbas.
okay
There
with
is
this.
no
Why
legal
is
aid.
it-
Why?
Can
What
you
are you
please
trying to
Why the selective
Where
outrage?
was the same logic
Because-
when
Okay,
Anuj
all right.
was in
You're
jail?
focusing on the
magistrate
legal course,
has not given
but
a legal
let's
aid.
talk about the reason here. No, let's talk about the origin of this particular issue. Even if you're saying that there is no proof to, the toolkit being authored by any Khalistani group, any Khalistani member, the contents of the toolkit, weren't they full of hate? Weren't they, pushed with an attempt to break India? Why did
No, ma'am, I
why did it
absolutely-
happen on the
okay.
26th of January out of all the days? It was supposed to be
Okay.
a peaceful tractor rally, isn't it?
With all due respect to you, ma'am, and Savio Rodriguez, could we not shout over each other, please? Could I be allowed to speak over my time? And Savio, you can have all the time. Because if both of us shout, the viewers will not understand anything. It's a humble request. I plead with you, Anchor ma'am. So to answer your question, does the toolkit talk about breaking India? Absolutely no. Does the toolkit talk about any violence on 26 January? Absolutely no. Does the toolkit have anything bad to do with it? Absolutely no. It basically talks of the protest, the premise of the protest.
Well, it
the social
certainly
media
talks
handles
of
to use.
people gathering in large numbers and taking
Yes.
to streets to protest on 26th of
Yes.
January, wherein a
Yes.
designated number of people were supposed to hold that tractor rally. As per the agreement
Yes.
between the Delhi police and the farmer union leaders, it was not supposed to be thousands and thousands, the number that we saw. So there was
you are-
certainly an attempt that was made to make sure that the situation goes out of hand. Let's not deny that. Well, we'll have to leave it
Absolutely,
at
I'm
that,
not denying
gentlemen.
that.
For the moment, we'll have to leave it at that. Need to take a short break here.